Ha, Gidewe ha, Gidewe ha, Gidewe ha, Gidewe ha, Kunna Gidewe ha, Kunibe Gidewe ha, Patogi Gidewe ha, Elu Megide, Elu na megide mmụọ nsị na ọ gaghị adịrị anyị na mma o. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you are getting our video from. Good night to some of you. I welcome you all, men and women. I welcome you all, good people, to today's program. From me, from here is good afternoon. Please, brothers and sisters, before we move in today's program, I want to ask you for a favor. Please, many people watch our programs, then doesn't subscribe to the channel. It doesn't take anything for you to go to subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, share our video, like our video, drop your comment, So as you are doing that, you are helping this platform. This platform is our platform, And those of you who have already done their own, I say, may God bless you. Asim chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie unu. Ife ọbụla unu na-eme, chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie ọlụ aka unu mmaji pụrụ mmaji n'aha chukwu okike abịa ma. Ise ndị eke na-abịakwa n'ime nke ha eme, asị m chukwu okike abịa ma ya gọzikwa unu. Ife ọbụla unu metụkwara aka, asị m chukwu okike abịa ma ya gọzikwa ọlụ aka unu. Gọzie ife ọbụla unu na-alụ n'elu ụwa ka na aha chukwu okike abịa ma. Were m na ise na comment section. Bikono, there is something I want to ask you people. Please, we need to get up to 100 and something subscribers in this channel so that we can be doing live programs. That is why I ask you people, do us a favor. If you like this gospel we preach here, if you like, because of in this earth, in this planet earth that we live, information is more strong and is more powerful. I have dedicated this time to be passing information to our people, to be awakening the spirit of our people. This is why we are here on this channel. I say, as you are doing that, may God bless you. Subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment and tell us your opinion, what you think. Thank you. Let's move. Today, let's send message to the people who is sabotaging this movement. We have to send message to the people who is sabotaging this our movement. I'm sorry because of the light reflection, because of there is a little, it's sunny here, it's afternoon. These people who is sabotaging this movement, they don't have any other job. Who are these people? Look at Ogenkere, look at Vam Vam Vam, look at Sonia Akbarawa, look at what do you call it, Mama Dabo. My people, you people should listen very carefully. I want to say something here. Our Madam Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, yesterday on the fundraising, I was watching her when she was saying something that about the man that interviewed her. So that the man was saying on the interview, the man was saying that many people have reported to him that she's not whom she's claiming to be. That is another fashion. So when this man said that, it shouldn't be surprised to any one of us, somebody who know how these things works. Because of, do you know why I said that it shouldn't be surprised? Let me tell you something. Because of many of you don't know how Sabo works. You see, Sabo, these people are people who is working for their paid master, who is working for their personal interests. That is why I will go there. But I want to tell Sabo, I want to tell them something. People sabotaging this movement. Every day, the person they have to be, forget what we are here for. Now, they will be talking about Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, Adamdo Orama, this other person. But then forget that happens if I be. But for you to know that this thing they are doing now is what they really paid for. Nothing more, nothing less. You see Sabo, something with Sabo, for many of you who doesn't know, you see people who is Sabo, they have only one objective. They have only one mission. You understand that? I want you to understand that because of these are the only objective and the mission they have. What is that mission and objective? They want to make sure, because of they have paid for this, they want to make sure that this movement will be brought down. This is what they are paid for. If you don't know it, know it. They have been paid money. Their paid masters are on top of their head. They can't sleep. Their paid master is on them. Say, are you seeing what this lady is doing? Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the DPM. Do you see what she's doing? What did I pay you for? Then we'll be putting more fire on them. Pressure. They're on top of pressure. That is why you see them. They don't have any other thing to talk about. It's only no. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze n'ọrụ ha na-ehi ụra Dr. Ngozi Orabueze ha na anything they do in this life up that woman. What did the woman, because of what? You know that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze will be saying, why these people? Because of your enemy. Then see what you cannot see. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, let me tell you something. These people have been collected. That is why you see Sabo'S. It's very easy for Sabo to unite, to come together, because of what? They have one purpose and one objective, which is to bring this struggle down. That is why you can see Asade Dokubo can unite with Oge Nkere. Look at Madam Azonka can unite with Oge Nkere. See, all of them is for them to throw their differences away and unite. Sabo'S is very easy for them because of them. They know that all of them have one objective, one purpose, one mission to bring this struggle down. But I want to let these people know that you see this struggle, that God in heaven, Chukwu Okike Abịama, onye nke ọba akpọ ugboro ọzọ ugboro asaa, ndị Igbo na-akpọ ebighị ebi, except ma ọ nọghị n'eluigwe nke asaa, you can't bring this struggle down. Except ma Chukwu anọghịzi, but ya bụrụ na Chukwu nọ n'eluigwe, that day you will know that this struggle, you can't bring it down. Because of Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, I want you to know this and know this very carefully. Our DPM, know this and know this very carefully. This game, this tax you have taken is a very, very strong tax. These people they will stop at nothing, but just to see that you are down. But what I want to promise them is, you know that if you're a good student of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he told you that if I name be more. Why did him say that? That is why you see this criminal called Oge Nkere. That's why our leader said that if I be more, because of there is spirit. If I be more, there is spirit. That spirit, Oma, who is honest, who is whiter than white. That spirit will go into that person. And between the person who is piloting, when our prime minister was here piloting this affair, this movement, that spirit, check the way he took that struggle. Check the way this mountain went to him. For you to know that spirit is working. When he take this mountain, when our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was outside here, nobody knows that something like that will happen, and the Mazi Simon Ekpa, which is the prime minister, will be the face of the movement. Did you know? Nobody will say that he knows. It's for you to know that what I'm telling you here is a spirit. Here. So that spirit, now those people who were circulating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying, oh, we are DOS, Chike Doziem, and all the rest of criminal and they also gang up. They are the same people who put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in condition where he is today. You people have forgotten map carrier. Can they buga the map? Have you people forgotten? My leader will be saying that when I ngeba or bieba, mageba or churumbia, who are giving that map carrier, don't that information, is the same people who are joined with our leader, who knows our leader's movement, are the ones releasing it to him. That is why when our leader goes to Washington, this man will run there. You understand? So now, that is only purpose these Sabo'S have. That is why, let me continue what I'm telling you for you to know that this is a spirit. Because of you never know that Mazi Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister, will be the face today. Until when our leader was inside the jail also, Nime DSS dungeon, we renew the command. They Kanu other people hate to say they say that he just give you prophet, master prophet. Just a slot. But not a slot. Biafrans, that spirit have entered there without our leader saying it. That spirit have entered there. It have come from our leader. That is why Mazi Simon Ekpa, I take word from our leader's heart. That spirit have come from there and went there. So now the spirit walk within the hand or that nifo bona hanne me here. No ga bo ife nko be sim mad nifa da ochodre ocha. Isi an odo oji oduru oji. Obe me na sige ni ma neze nigwe no bu so ndị aka ha ndị ọcha ga-aba n'ime nigwe. Now this Biafra we are talking about. Obu so ndị nkwu n'eziokwu ndị aka ha ndị ọcha bia bụ ndị nkwesị no into this movement. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, I want to tell you, our DPM, Achorom, this spirit now is go from Mazi Simon Ekpa, which is our Prime Minister, entered you. Because of when this spirit chooses someone, one name mother, only Romba Chamba, Ogenkere and the group, Hamba Chamba, Mbahani Negapo, Hamba Chamba, Mbabuna Efu, Kahanaba. Please, as you are watching this program, do us a favor. Like this program, subscribe to our channel, please. By the end of the month, we want to have at least 100 and something subscribers so that we can be able to be coming live and be giving this gospel. Everybody can be able to be coming in and air their own opinion. That is what I'm asking you. Please, as you're doing that, I say may God bless you. Let's continue. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze wa DPM, if you guys are here, nwa evunako. Ekwekwana Gekwentuyo, madam, please, ekwekwana ka aka nne gị mmarife aka ịkpa gị na-eme. Ekwekwana ka aka ịkpa mmarife aka nne gị na-eme. That is the only way. And this movement now, this mountain abanyego gị n'aka. As this mountain, the spirit lead. That is why you see people will be following you. Because of the spirit have lead. The spirit enter to people to follow you. Not understand. And when the spirit chooses you, it will be directing you in the right direction. So why I'm saying this is this, madam, this mountain is in your hand. It's a heavy task. You don't need to have no friend. No friend. No friend. Because of how these people come, then we'll be paying you. Oh, madam. Oh, then we come in the face of a very nice person. But they are not whom you think they are. All of them, remember what I told you, Sabo'S have one objective and one target and one purposes. They are very easy to unite because of they understand themselves, they understand where they are going. But if you allow them, because of you be thinking in this USB, United States of Biafra, they are still there. Before you be thinking that, oh, maybe they have left with Ogenkere and all that. That is why you see Ogenkere with that man who na lobbies. Alliance, Nagako Bago, Otakosi Agan Obago. In Ata, Ogenkere Naba. Nkabu obu in the physical side, don't work enough, but obu one, Ogenkere. That is why you see them, they can never give up. They will be following you up and down because of their masters have paid them is pushing them. You people are not doing what I paid you for. That is why you see. So don't be surprised when you are receiving this rubbish letter they are sending. Understand? They did it to Mazi Simon Ekpa. This our Prime Minister today. Even Kanu was involved. Say don't use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's name. Don't use our leader name. Don't use his name. Don't do that. All these things they are doing now, we have seen all this rubbish. We have seen it. We have gone out all those. So let them bring something new to come with. So we can face them from there. Not bringing old patterns. You know, for you to know this guy you people call Ogenkere. Look at here. Only big guy the people. spirit ndị Igbo kwuru okwu asị na anya na-ebu ụzọ rie before ọnụ. Anụmanụ ọgụ ya kagodu ga-ezu ike ochina abịara ime ife agburu here, ochina anọ na moto park na na-elodu moto here. We are talking about lives and property. We are talking about affair of human beings. Or affair of ndị mmụọ, because of you come out in a zoo country. You know, those people that doesn't know what human right, the way that human being need to live. They don't know that. Because they believe, let them be living from hand to mouth and hand maybe everywhere, dusty, dirty country. Our able DPM buru wave n'aka enwe n'oyi onye na-akpọkwa gị na-asịkwa gị nke aka asịkwa ọkwa for all these guys that have sabotaged this thing. Because of I was hearing on the fundraising, some people say, hey, later then we come back. You have sabotaged your own is sorry. Go. No more space. If they want to be in the movement, then can be doing their things in their own way. And then for we have eyes, we'll be seeing them. Let them be doing their thing. If they say that they have repented, they want to be into the movement, no matter on the ground or on the air or on the sea, you have sabotaged this movement. Do you know why I say that? Anybody who sabotage, don't give him no second chance, no third chance. Bye-bye. Go and be doing the thing. If you are supporting the movement, be supporting it in your own way. We'll be seeing it, doing what we are doing. You understand? But to bring that person close, don't do that. Why am I saying this? Why am I saying this? Because of when then we come and tell you that we have repented Boko Haram, that we have repented. Oh, we did mistake. Oh, the other one happened. Please, as you're watching this program, do us a favor, brothers and sisters. You can subscribe button. Just subscribe to this channel so that you empower us in this channel. As you are doing this, I say may God bless you. As me onye eluigwe, Chukwu okike abịama. Obasimbi n'eluigwe ya gozie gị. Why am I saying this? Our doctor, our DPM, the chief of staff of United States of Biafra. Why am I saying this? Because of when that person come now telling you, oh, what you could make here now or repented Boko Haram, make integration into the into Ifane. One but we are not in the government. Anana Biafra land, we start doing that one. But as far as this movement is concerned, why that person is running back? Telling ne make a onion chefuri fe na onion gara toilet chefu towel ebo saraho. Now because of he couldn't achieve to bring you down. So he have no option to come like Busu. Now to come in because of that purpose as in if any one issue no yanaro that purpose cannot there. No matter what you go madam. That is why I'm saying this. From me, from here is good afternoon. You wanted this message. Bikono to Sayan, go to Dr. Ngozora Press. Yeche buzino we be mabro ndano. Nto hindo ken and his gang. In that possible headed to because what they are doing is what they are paid for. So let her focus, concentrate on this job and how you can bring the Biafrans home. That is what we are looking after. Dan, thank you from here. I say may God bless United States of Biafra. May God bless all the good people here watching this program who are helping us in this channel. Asim chukwu okike abịama ugwu nke a na-arị atụ egwu. Asim ya letu n'anya ebe ọ bụla nọ. From me, from here is good afternoon.